You've never seen your girl like this before, have ya? And some glasses. Did I talk about these in a vlog? If you didn't see it, they are basically glasses for technology, I guess. How do I describe it? It has like a blue tint to it and it's supposed to basically protect your eyes from computer screens and smartphone screens. Look at me though, girl. But they look even more odd on me because I have a small head, so don't let that discourage you. But I did just get back from the gym. This is my outfit. Let me set you guys down and I'll show you my outfit. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so I did not wear this while I was working out. I wore this white top, which I got at TJ Maxx, I think. The sports bra is Victoria's Secret from a long time ago. And I'm obsessed. And then just some... What in the actual hell am I doing right here? Like what is this position? Black leggings. Ooh, actually no, I'm cold. I need to put this back on. So it was a little discouraging going to the gym because I didn't know, you know, when he told me I couldn't do squats and I couldn't do the... Again? I'm gonna throw another crazy ass position in a vlog again? The leg curl machine, which I never did that machine anyway. It made me wonder other things that maybe I couldn't do. I assume lunges were also out of the question, just because they're the same kind of concept. And I am taking this whole back thing very, very seriously. So anyway, I got back from the gym, and now I'm making the leftover chicken, and, ooh, something's smelling. Let's see. Is this little... Oh, the chicken's burning. Let's go ahead and remove the chicken and put the veggies back in. Well, yeah, girl, she crisp. All right, let's get these back in here. So as another side for my daughter, I'm making her mashed potatoes. Last night I made mac and cheese in that pot, which I have to clean. And tonight I'll just make her mashed potatoes. She does eat she likes the broccoli, but she doesn't like the peppers. The house is pretty chill. It's pretty tidied up. As you know, I always have to vacuum. I have to vacuum Loxie's hair. And I haven't brushed her in a couple days. Ooh, shoot. Gotta make sure Loxie doesn't eat this. I don't even know where this came from. Here's my dinner. It's basically a leg and, I don't know, something else. Broccoli and the veggies. I'm not having mashed potato because I'm trying to eat better. And I'm not having my ginger ale. I'm having my water. This is my third bottle today, and girl, we should be drinking 8 of these. So, Loxie wants to go outside. You want to go outside? Yeah? Who's out there? Go get him. Look at that birdie. She's so cute. You're fine. Go on. If I try to close this door, she'll freak out. Look at her. Look how obsessed she is. And she proves me wrong. But I can't let bugs fly in here. Alright, you guys, I had to get a clip of the clouds. Do they not look insane? They look like someone took a paintbrush, like Bob Ross is up in here. So let me get this straight, because I'm just as confused as you are. We went from singing and gyrating to me talking about some clouds and Bob Ross? I don't know what's wrong with today's vlog. If you're still subscribed, God bless you. In the DFW sky, if you can even hear me because the wind is so loud. Look how beautiful that is. Does that not look crazy? It just looks different in real life, but what? Look at that. They look just like marshmallows that have been creamed over, you know? You know what we need to do? We need to just stop while we're ahead. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog on this cloudy note, because in no way, shape, or form does this make any damn sense. But hey, this is what I vlogged, this is how I did it, and I don't think we can go much higher from here. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one if you're still around. Okay, bye.